welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Hena Talati. Atlanta, Washington among 44 million in eastern United States seeing severe storms packing damaging winds. About 44 million people across the eastern United States, including Atlanta, Baltimore, Washington and Charlotte, North Carolina, saw severe weather and damaging gusts after a powerful cold front barreled across the Midwest and Ohio Valley Tuesday and into the early Wednesday, leading to the dozens of the tornado warnings and reports of large hail. The severe weather threat Wednesday stretched from the western slopes of Appalachians to the Carolinas, mid-Atlantic and northeast as the powerful cold front advanced eastwards. NOAA Storm Prediction Center placed areas of the northern Alabama and North Georgia, including Atlanta, northward through western New England in a level 1 out of 5 risk on its 5-point severe thunderstorm risk scale. This included cities such as Knoxville in Tennessee, Charlotte and Raleigh in the North Carolina, Roanoke and Richmond in the Virginia, Washington, Baltimore, Pittsburgh and Sankaran in the Pennsylvania, Albany in New York and Burlington in Vermont. Heavy rain was more of a concern than the severe weather threat on Wednesday. There's a little bit of the dry slot and then it turned into very heavy rain later in the morning and into the afternoon hours. Flood watches had been posted by the National Weather Service for the portions of the North New York, Vermont, New Hampshire and most of the Maine. A lot of that could be rain on top of the snowpack, to be honest, the Fox weather meteorologist said. Wind advisories for the gust up to 50 miles per hour are in effect across the Northeast and New England, and high wind warnings have been issued for the areas of the eastern Great Lakes in the New York State, northern coastal Maine as well as Cape Cod in the Massachusetts has also been placed under the high wind warnings in anticipation of the wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. So far, there haven't been any reports of the injuries from the destructive thunderstorms and likely tornadoes that ripped across the parts of Illinois, Ohio and Michigan. In Michigan's Henry County, the NWS confirmed that the tornado that ripped through the area on Tuesday was the EF1. In Calhoun County, the NWS confirmed that the storm that swept through the area produced an EF2 tornado. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates.